our batch is run. We ran for about 6-7 minutes. We're ready to take the product out. As you can see, we're at a viscosity of about 46, 47. So next time we run this, we could set that to that viscosity. So I'm going to actually turn up our RPM to help extract the product. Normally I do this myself, but I got Angelo here as the camera. So I'm going to roll some cookies in, little at a time. Get another layer in there as the product's coming out. Fold it in. How much cookies you want to put in really depends upon your recipe and what you want. There's no right or wrong answer to that. Want to get our product from our top in there still. Good. And we are good to go. Always want to leave a little bit of extra space. Clean it out, level it out. And then we want to sprinkle some cookies on the top to make it look pretty. Good. As you see here, we have our gingerbread ice cream tub. And right now, we put about 5 quarts into this. We got about 9 quarts out. So we have, roughly in the 80% overrun range, which is what we're looking for. As far as the amount of air you want to put into the product, completely up to you. We're using a 14% unflavored mix. Our recipe, we had a few ounces of vanilla extract. What vanilla extract you want, again, completely up to you. We use 16 ounces of crushed ginger and about a quart of crushed gingerbread cookies. And we have a wonderful holiday-themed gingerbread ice cream.